The essence of the clear watermark on your video actually is to help you retain your content, and it's going to help you as well to own your content so that people cannot be able to steal your content. And I think this is something that everybody needs to learn and watch. Learn how to do it because it's going to save you a lot of harm or piracy. Because these days people can actually use people's content to go viral. And that video I'm going to be teaching people how to do that as well. But even if people are trying to like recruit your content or reuse it for an educational purpose, you still, on the right to it. And people will still see that the original content, it's yours. I think I should use the word originality. That's what the clear watermark helps you, to achieve of your content. So with this being said, let's get into the video. Let me show you how to do it. Don't play.
So we go back to our editing, and when you come here, all you have to do is to go to text, because that's what we're going to be using. When you go to text, you choose the kind of text. You double click on it, and expand it. When you now expand it, you see what I'm doing slowly. Then you go to where the text box is. This is where you'll be writing the name of your watermark. For example, I'm using evolve with eagle. That is what I want my watermark to look like. So now I've done that, I'll make sure I stretch it to the end of the video so that it will be showing. So now I come down here, the font size. If you want to make it bold, on the font size here, that's where you reduce it. So I reduced it to the size I want it to display on the screen. I think I don't want it too bold on the screen. I now position it. This is an example I'm trying to show. So I come down here and I will select a color. Here, come down here, I go to opacity and I try to reduce it. You see, as I'm reducing the opacity, it's kind of fading. And that's it. So when you reduce it there, I come out here. It's very simple. And do a bold and play it again. You can see the watermark is right there, but it's not bold. So you can see, even if people kind of take your content, your watermark is still showing. And what I'm going to do here, I'll go back here and increase it so that it doesn't fade entirely, that people don't recognize. Yeah. So I'm giving it like 10 so that it can be seen. So I'm giving it 10%. So I'll go back and I'll play the video again, and you will see. Two teens accused of dumping buckets full of trash into the as you're watching now, you can see that my watermark is still at the back of the video. And in this way, it's going to be very hard for people to actually steal your content. Yeah. And why I'm using this video to give an example is for you to see. So now I'm going to export it. So you come here and you click on export. I think I'm going to reduce some things here so that it doesn't take a lot of MB or space. I can be able to send it to wherever I want to send it. So now, after I did this, all I have to do is to come here and click on export. So once I click on export,